Hi everyone, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of Market Harmony, a company that procures, processes, and resells coins, precious metal bullion, and scrap. We are based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today's video is all about what you see here. This is a fake 1-ounce gold bar. As you can see, the counterfeiters have used several details in order to gain confidence in authenticity. They make it look like solid gold and put the right markings on it. They use a well-known refinery and branded it with a well-known bank name. They created a somewhat official looking assay certificate, and they encapsulated the gold bar to protect it from fingerprints and handling damages. But they did some things wrong, and some things they did not do at all. So let's take a look at the details. Hopefully, after you watch this video and try to replicate some of the tests that I'm about to show you, then you too may be able to spot a fake. The first thing to look at is the overall presentation of the piece. Does it look professionally made? Does it reflect the marks of a craftsman? So the plastic is not punched from a die and then sealed. The edges are not square, and I think it was cut with scissors. The assay certificate itself is printed on thick paper and probably done by a consumer level printer. The pixelation is low and lettering is not sharp. Probably looks a lot better on this video than it does in person. It is also missing the commonly provided serial number, which should correspond with a matching serial number on the bar. This card was then laminated and it holds a plastic case which encapsulates the bar. And speaking of the bar, let's take a closer look at it. It can be accessed simply by prying open the plastic case. Then pops out of the assay certificate. Let's go ahead and take it out of the case itself. Now that the bar is removed from the holder, you can see the edges of the assay certificate show additional problems with the printing. It's not continuous coloration to the interior edges. Also, now that we can handle the bar directly, it's important to weigh the bar and ensure that it's per the standard 31.1 grams per troy ounce. You can see it weighs 32 grams. So the bar fails this test as it's too heavy. Also, I like to compare known authentic gold to the unknown gold. This is probably one of the easiest and most effective, as your eye and your hand will tell your mind faster than any further testing, especially if you don't have a scale, but you do have something to compare it to. So let's compare it to this known authentic Englehard Gold Bar. You can see that there's a matching serial number with the certificate and the bar. But more importantly, we can tell that the dimensions are off. It's too wide it's too long. And if I could get the Englehard bar on edge to show you, you'd also be able to tell that it's too thick. Also, look at the intricacies seen on the Englehard Eagle, and then look at the other bar. The luster is flat on the fake gold bar because of the plating process. Next, I'd like to use the ping test. I don't have one of those fancy wands, but I do have a fancy thumb. So let's just flip it in the air and find out what it sounds like. Oh, that's not a flip. That's not the sound of pure solid gold. Pure solid gold does have a slight ping to it, but it's certainly not that high pitched. And finally, because I have one and can confirm the authenticity with this, I'm going to take an XRF surface test of the bar. You can see the flashing lights, so it is testing. And there you have it. Not solid gold, primarily copper. In fact, it's gold plated. So to review, use your senses, including common sense, when purchasing gold. And if that doesn't work for you, then find a trusted dealer like me, Mike, from Market Harmony. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.